Now we move on to the main part, calculating payroll. This is where we take each employee's salary and break it down into tax, national insurance, and deductions. In this monthly payroll sheet, I have added the following columns. For the employee details and earnings section, we've got employee ID, employee name, annual gross salary, and monthly gross salary. The first three columns will get the data from the staff setup sheet as we've done in the sheet before this. Please take note of the formulas I have used here. All these formulas are included in the template, link below. I will now talk you through the columns that follow and show you step by step how to calculate each. To calculate the monthly salary, we simply divide the annual salary by 12. This gives us a consistent monthly payroll figure. Then we just drag down the formula.